go.
Shout out to my niggas ELE, Southern Made. I'm back in the H, nigga. I'm about to tell these niggas how we run this shit. Hey. I run the streets night and day. I run the streets night and day. Hey. They told me I never walk through the door until they press play on the demo and fell in love with the flow. A underground rapper with his mind on getting bankroll, doing shows all over the globe. This rap shit is in my soul. I soak my heart in it every time I flow. Bitches love me, niggas hate me, money be my motivation. Taking over the game, that is my occupation. Middle fingers to the niggas hating. No time for sack chasers, I'm a legend in the making. Death before dishonor, murder before betrayal. I'm ripping this so well, giving these boys hell. Lock me up in jail, contemplating in my cell. Let me out, said fuck them and no well. Got it bad, I pull it, I talk it and dodge bullets. I'm repping it to the fullest. Crip, I thought you knew it. It's a must that I grind and shine, cause if I don't, we won't make up in time. It's like the pancakes on the stove, I'm ready to serve them up. Hit the streets and you already know they heard of us.